So welcome back friends. I know you are now locked down. Even I am locked down in my place. So I am shooting this video from my home office. So friends, do you know that this lockdown is going to have a big impact on the economy? It is much bigger than you are currently thinking. Many people are going to lose their job, and if they are not losing their jobs, there will be cut in the wages. So the salaries will be decreased. So you will actually face economic crisis on your own. Not even the government, even every individual will find economical crisis. We need to beat this lockdown by creating our own extra income. So we can do this by creating a money making machine by hosting our own automated trading systems on a virtual private server. So that is one option. You can create your own money generating option and you can host your automated trading system on a virtual private server. Now, how that will work? In my previous videos already I have shown you how you can create your own automated trading system. And I have also shown you how the automated trading system can be fully automated. So it is not semi-automated, it is fully automated. We will just use Zerodha Streak for that, and the trading system can be fully automated. There are many tested strategies available on the Streak platform. So you can go there, you can pick a strategy and you can fully automate it. But in case of fully automation, you need to always keep your PC on. So your PC will be on, you will not be able to do any other job. But if you can host the automated trading system on some other computers like a virtual private server, it will actually solve this problem. Your PC will be free and the automated trading system will be always on, and it will be fully automated without your intervention. So the automated trading system can be always on without your intervention, and there is no chance of power cut, there is no chance of internet going down, there is no chance of laptop being crashed. So everything will be taken care of and it will simply work as a money generating machine. So if you can run the money generating machine for whole day, actually if the strategies are profitable, you will simply get money at the end of the day. So that is the point, my dear friends. In this lockdown, you need some extra income, and you can create your own extra income by this money generating machine system by hosting your automated trading system on a virtual private server or a VPS. So let me show you how you can create your own money generating machine or money making machine by hosting the fully automated trading system on a virtual private server. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So friends, first log into the Streak platform. So as like before, the same login link. So login link is bit.ly/streak.tech. So you need to remember this link, bit.ly/streak.tech, STREAKTECH. So I'll give you the link in the video description. So just hit it. So you are redirected to the Streak platform. So there is the option of logging in with Kite. So you need a Zerodha account because Streak is currently only associated with the Zerodha broking platform. So you need to log in with the Zerodha broking platform. If you do not have Zerodha account, I'll give you the link to join Zerodha also in the video description. So I am logging in with Kite. So you can see, my dear friends, I am redirected to my dashboard. So this part I have already shown you in my previous video, how to create a fully automated trading system on the Streak platform. So those who have missed my previous video, I am just showing it in a glance. So here I am taking a few strategies. So suppose I am taking one trend following strategy, like I'll be taking the optimized super trend. I'll go to view backtest. You can see there are few backtests on few stocks. So the backtests are on Nifty 50, SBIN, Reliance, Adani Ports, Titan. Now my dear friends, whenever taking a strategy to live, we first need to decide the quantities. So here we can see these stocks are having different prices. So if we are trading, we need to trade them in same amount of money, not the same quantity, because Reliance is having more than 1000 rupees price and Adani Ports is having 244 rupees price. So Adani Port is actually 1/4 price of Reliance. So now they should not be traded with same quantity, because if one stop loss gets hit in Reliance, it will be much more than the Adani Port thing, because Adani Port is having much more less price than Reliance. So we will actually trade same money in all the stocks. So suppose we will be always trading 5000 rupees per stock. So let us first decide the quantities. So 5000 divided by 192 SBIN price. So 26. Let me open a notepad and write down the quantities. So SBIN is 26. Let me take it as 25. Reliance is just more than 1000, so I am trading it 5 quantities. Adani Ports 250 rupees almost, so I will be trading 20 quantities. And Titan 922 rupees. Let us calculate. So once again 5. So now let us deploy the strategy. So click on deploy. SBIN 25, Reliance 5, Adani Ports 20 and Titan once again 5. So we have actually given the quantities. Now we will be naming the strategy. Optimized super trend. So I am naming it as optimized ST. Now the strategy, let us keep it live for 1 week, and the strategy cycle means how many entries or exits will be taken within this 1 week of time. So let us keep say 5. Order type MIS and variety is regular. So we are actually clicking on paper trade. So these strategies will be live on paper trading. And friends, in my last video I have already shown you that if you use a Google Chrome plugin called Trade Rocket, so Trade Rocket plugin will actually fully automate your trades. By default, the Streak platform will actually generate a confirmation window in case the deployed strategies actually generates a buy or a sell signal. But this Trade Rocket will actually sense these confirmation window and fully automate your trades. So it will actually trigger and fire all the trades to the exchange those needs your confirmation. So here the Trade Rocket plugin is already on. Those who do not know how to get this Trade Rocket plugin, for them I'll suggest you see my previous video, and I'll also give you the link to download Trade Rocket in my video description. So from there you will get the link of Trade Rocket. So already I am having one strategy in the paper trading deployed. So now I'll attach more strategies. So last time I have taken a trend following strategy. So this time I'll be taking a mean reversion strategy. So once again there is a Bollinger Band mean reversion. So click on that. Once again there are few stocks: ICICI Bank, Reliance, Bharti Airtel, Hindi Unilever, ICICI General Insurance and Pidilite. So let us first decide the quantity. how much quantity per stock we will trade. So ICICI Bank 326 rupees. Once again we will trade 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 divided by 326, 15. So ICICI Bank 15. Reliance we are already having 5. So Bharti Airtel, Bharti, $11. Now Hindu Unilever, we can trade maximum 2. ICICI General Insurance, let us take 5 because it is just close to 1000. And the last one is Pidilite. So 4, let us take roughly 4. Now once again let us click on deploy all and let us input the quantities. So ICICI Bank 15, Reliance 5, Bharti Airtel 11, Hindu Unilever 2, ICICI General Insurance 5 and Pidilite 4. So we are once again naming BB mean reversion, and strategy is once again live for 1 week, strategy cycle 5, order type MIS, keep everything as usual, and let us click on the paper trade. So we can see now total stocks waiting for the signals are 10 and the trade rocket is actually sensing the signals. So this is on my PC. So I need to always keep this page open. This page should be on always and I will not be able to do any other jobs. So how I can host this complete thing to a VPS? So now I will show you how you can get a VPS. Now friends, if you want to take a VPS server, there are many options available. There are many Indian companies as well as there are many foreign companies. So among the Indian companies, I can name one company, Strat Solutions. I am personally using their VPS for the last 1 year and their service is more or less reliable. So if you want to test their service, because they are having a trial VPS option, so you can try before you buy. So I'll give the link of their website in the video description. So you can test Strat Solutions VPS from there. Now there is another option by which you can use the VPS for free. So that company is Amazon. Amazon is having a plan called Amazon AWS. So this Amazon AWS service, you can create your own VPS and they are having free tier options. Free tier means unless and until your usage is exceeding the free tier options, you can use it free. So you can create your own VPS on the Amazon AWS and you can use it for free unless and until your usage is exceeding the free tier levels. So let me show you how you can create your own VPS in the Amazon AWS. So friends, you need to open a browser window and in the browser window write Amazon AWS. Hit enter. So Google will actually search for Amazon AWS. The full form of AWS is Amazon Web Services. So go there. So there is the option to sign in to the console. So you need to create an account first. I am already having my account. So I am directly going to the sign in to the console first. If you do not have an account with Amazon AWS, you need to create an account first. So I am going to the sign into the console. And another thing, my dear friends, whenever you are actually creating an account, you need to have your credit card ready, because Amazon AWS needs your credit card to be verified. So first time whenever you are actually signing in for this Amazon AWS service, you need to attach your credit card with their service. So I am now logging in with my user ID and password. I am already having my credit cards verified, so I am directly going to the login option. Now whenever you are logged in, you can see there is services. So click on the services, and in the compute you are actually use the compute option, because you will use a VPS. VPS is a computer, so you will use the compute option. So here you are seeing Ec2, so we will use the Ec2. Click on Ec2. So we are into the Ec2 dashboard. So here you can see running instances 1. So I am already having one VPS that is running. Now the running volume is 1, and the key pair, this is very important. So I am already having one key pair that is generated. So if you are not having any key pair, you need to create a key pair first. That is the first thing that you need to do. You need to click on the create key pair. You need to keep a name of the key pair. Suppose any name, Ec2 test, and the file format will be PEM. You need to write PEM, and you need to click on create key pair. So you can see the PEM file will be downloaded. So I will download it to my desktop. Click on save. So the PEM file is being saved on my desktop. So the key generation is the first thing that you need to do. Now I will go to the instances. You can see already I am having one running instance. So here I will show you how you can start your own instance first. So here there is the option of launch instance. So here I will click on launch instance. So you can see here, my dear friends, what kind of computer you need. So we just need a simple computer, Windows based simple computer. So there we will be searching for Windows based simple computers. Here I am seeing Windows Microsoft Windows Server 2016 base. So this thing we can see that free tier is eligible. This one is also having free tier eligible, but I'll take this 2016 server. So now you can see free tier eligible. So this free tier means unless and until your total usage is actually exceeding the free tier limit, you will not be charged. You can use it for free of cost. So I am clicking on select. So you can see we will be selecting a T2 micro. The T2 micro is having free tier eligible. So we will just select the T2 micro. There are other things, those are not free tier eligible. So I am not selecting them. You can see by default the T2 micro is selected. So I will just simply click review and launch. So you can see once again the review thing is coming here. So I will click on launch. So now you need a key pair here. So choose an existing key pair. So I have just now created this key pair, Ec2 test. Click I acknowledge and launch instances. So my instance is now launching. So you can see the launch log here, or you can go to the view instances option. This one previously I was having, and this one is getting initialized. So you can see this one is actually getting initialized. So here what I'll do, I'll actually stop the previous instance. So instance state, I'll stop it because I do not need it now. Because I do not need it now. I already have a new instance that will be running very soon. That is getting initialized. So I am stopping my old instance. You can see my old instance is now stopped. So what I'll do, I'll simply terminate this one because I don't want to be built unnecessarily. So click on terminate. So you can see the old instance is now shutting down. So now my dear friends, if you actually shut down an instance, you will not be built anymore. So this thing you need to remember, do not keep unnecessary instances running. So you only run the instance that you need. Now in between you can see my old instance is now terminated and my new instance is now running. So now I will actually connect to it. So I'll connect to it. You can see if I click on connect, there is an option download remote desktop file. Before I download it, I want the password to connect. So for the password, once again I need the key pair. We have the key pair, right? We have the key pair saved in my desktop, the ec2 test.pem file. So I'll just choose that file. Here you can see the ec2 test.pem that is saved on my desktop. Click on open. You can see an encrypted password has come. Click on decrypt password. So you can see my password is now decrypted. By default the username is administrator and the password is shown here. So click it, copy to clipboard. Now we will download the remote desktop file. You can see the remote desktop file is being downloaded. I'll go to the desktop now. So this is my new remote desktop file. This was the earlier one. So this instance is now stopped. So I'll just delete it. Now I'll connect to the new virtual private server. Double click. Here one confirmation window is coming. I'll check it here. Don't ask me again for connections to this computer and click on connect. So it is asking for the password. Password I am already copied to the clipboard. So I am pasting it here and I am clicking remember me. You can see once again a confirmation window is coming. Once again I am clicking it on here. Don't ask me again for connections to this computer. And now click yes. So you can see my dear friends, by this way you can log into your VPS from your own computer. So you can see the preparing windows. First time as you are opening this VPS, this option is coming. My Windows is getting prepared. It is taking some time. I'll wait for that. So my dear friends, you can see now my EC2 is running. So now the first thing that we need to do is that we need to install the Google Chrome here, because EC2 is not having the Google Chrome. You can see the host name over here, instance ID over here, the public IP address over here, private IP address over here, instance size T2 micro, so available zone, what kind of computer it is, AMD 64, total memory is 1 GB. So you have got all these things free of cost. Amazon have not charged you till now. So we need to install the Google Chrome. So I'll get back to my PC. To get back to your PC, simply cross it. If you cross it, you once again need to log in, or you can minimize the EC2 by clicking minimize here. So I am minimizing. So I'll go to my browser window and I'll download Google Chrome. So I'll write Google Chrome download. You can see we will go to the Google Chrome download option. So download Chrome option is there. Accept and install. It will now download the Chrome setup. So let us download it to the desktop. You can see the Google Chrome has been downloaded. So we can simply transfer files from our own computer to the EC2 or the VPS by simply copying and pasting. So I'll cut it here and I'll go to my EC2 option. So in the EC2 I'll go to a folder. There is the downloads folder. Let us paste Chrome over here. You can see the Chrome setup is downloaded here. Now we will install Chrome over here. You can see the Chrome is now getting installed on your VPS. So this is not your own PC, because you can see the EC2 option is shown here. So you can actually see your virtual private server from your PC anytime you log into the virtual private server. So that is the beauty of using a virtual private server. It is a computer, but that is virtual. You can use it anytime, and if you close it also, still it will keep on running. So now you can see my Chrome is installed. So we will now go to the Streak platform. Once again, the same link, bit.ly/streak.tech, bit.ly/streak.tech. So I am clicking it here. You can see I have been redirected to the Streak platform. Once again, I'll log in with Kite. So you can see here I need to write down my user ID and password. So I'll write my user ID. And I'll write the password. So click on login. I need to provide my PIN. Click on continue. You can see same way I have been redirected to my dashboard. Same way, it is not my PC, it is my VPS, but I have been redirected to my dashboard. Now let me install the TradeRocket plugin. So I have written TradeRocket Google Chrome. So searching for TradeRocket. Once again, we are going to the TradeRocket plugin. We will here add it to Chrome. It is asking us whether we want to add the extension. Click on add extension. So you can see TradeRocket has been added to Chrome. Now we are going to Streak. You can see TradeRocket has access to this site, and you can see TradeRocket is sensing Streak because it is now colored. In this website, in any other website apart from Streak, you can see the TradeRocket is actually grayed out. So TradeRocket is actually not working in any other sites. Only on the Streak website, TradeRocket will be active. You can see I am back to my Streak website, and TradeRocket has access to the site. Now friends, from the dashboard, let us go to the paper trading strategies. Those are waiting for signals. So go to strategies and click on paper trading. So you can see already I am having 10 stocks. Those are waiting for the signals, and TradeRocket is now has access to this site. Now my dear friends, in my previous video I have already shown that TradeRocket can fully automate your trades. So it will automatically sense the signals whenever they will come, and it will actually trade fully automated based on these strategies. So you need not to worry about any other things. So now my dear friends, you can see the strategies are waiting for signals, and the TradeRocket has access to the site. So TradeRocket will be sensing the signals and it will auto trade without your intervention. So you can simply go back to your own laptop or your own PC, and you can keep this virtual private server on as long as you want. So here I'll go back to the EC2 option. You can see it is auto hiding. So you need to click over here to go back to the EC2. I have minimized the EC2. You can see I am back to my own desktop. So this is the EC2. If I click EC2 once again, I am back to my EC2. So now I am logging off my EC2. Now friends, if I once again want to log into my virtual private server, the process is very simple. Simply I need to double click this desktop icon. So click here and it will connect to my virtual private server. You can see the streak page is still open. So though we have logged out the virtual private server, there is no difference in the virtual private server options. So the same streak page is open and the TradeRocket is waiting for the signals. So let me close or log out the virtual private server once again. So friends, I have shown you how you can fully automate your trading systems on TradeRocket, how you can choose how much quantities to trade, and how you can host them on a VPS. So whenever you are hosting the fully automated trading system on a VPS or a virtual private server, it is just like a money making machine. So you need not to intervene it. You need not to see every now and then. There is no chance of power cut. There is no chance of internet going down, and it is just like a money making machine. So if you can choose good strategies from the streak dashboard, or you can create your own strategy from the streak, so it is just like a money making machine. You do whatever you want to do. No need to check the VPS. Simply it will generate money for you, and that money will actually generate extra cash in this time of lockdown. So it will help you in lockdown in generating extra income. So you can successfully create your own money making machine by following my technique. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.